You're not lazy, you're not broken, but your brain is being hijacked, and you don't even know it. Every scroll, every ping, every new episode is a hit of dopamine, the chemical of pleasure. But here's the trap. Dopamine isn't the reward. It's the anticipation of reward. So your brain keeps chasing more stimulation, less satisfaction. You're stuck in a loop, a hungry, never full loop. Imagine a rat pressing a lever over and over, choosing dopamine over food until it starves. Sounds stupid, right? Now look at your screen time. Look at your tab switching. How often do you actually finish what you start? In the 1990s, scientists gave monkeys a simple task. Press a button, get juice. At first, their brains lit up after the reward. But over time, the dopamine spike moved to the moment before the reward. The anticipation became the addiction. And that's us now. We scroll, click, swipe, not for the outcome, but for the next hit. The real cost? You lose your ability to focus, to feel joy from real effort, to sit still with boredom long enough, to build something great. And the worst part? You think you're in control, but it's not you. It's your dopamine, pulling strings from behind the curtain. Want your life back? Reclaim your attention. Don't chase the high. Build the discipline to sit with the low. That's where freedom begins.